So I have a 2015 Toyota Corolla S, and the door lock has quit working on the driver's side door. Just so that y'all can see this, so I'm going to lock the door so y'all can see both of them. Here, let me see if I can't angle this so that y'all can see it. Lock. See, it's not making the beeping sound anymore when I lock. You can see it doesn't move at all. Let's see if I can unlock it. And all the other ones work, as you can see. There it is. So what's the problem? You can actually hear this one over here try to open, but it doesn't actually open.